Over the last few years, I would say customer insights have been more and more important. We have seen the volume of information online going up, more and more social media, social channels, where the consumers can actually communicate and share their experience on brands. Definitely the volume has gone up, and our brands are using all of this information to really leverage on the customer journey, understanding what are the contents the consumers are discussing online, fueling the strategy of some of the marketing campaigns.
I feel that the consumer is at the heart of every decision that a brand should make, whether it be launching a new product, shifting the position, or even just for campaigns. At the end of the day, the consumer really just wants to understand what will the brand provide them. So it's important that really take the time to listen to their insights and what they're looking for next.
For us, I think it's a learning period. I wouldn't say we're at that sort of level where we're really marketing and digital savvy. I think that it would definitely open up a lot more sources where we can gather data and find data from to enrich in our brand.